Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Step by Step. I am Ying. So today we'll learn to solve problems involving probability of combined events, okay? So let's go through example 12 together. A fair dice is rolled twice consecutively. If this experiment is carried out 540 times, how many times will at least one perfect square be obtained? So we know perfect squares are 1 or 4, okay, in this case, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, these are all perfect squares, okay? So in this case, only 1 or 4. So let K be the event of getting a perfect square. So the probability of getting at least one perfect square, it could be both perfect square, or the first one perfect square, second one not, or the first one not, but the second one yes, okay? So let's draw a tree diagram. We can see here. So the probability of getting the first dice is a perfect square is 2 out of 6, okay? 1 or 4, right? So there are 2 outcomes here. So 2 out of 6. So equals to 1 over 3, okay? This is how we get 1 over 3 here. So probability of not getting a perfect square is 2 over 3, okay? Because 1 minus 1 over 3 equals to 2 over 3. So now, the second row, it is either a perfect square or it is not, okay? Same here. So here we get the ordered pairs for the outcomes. So the probability of getting both perfect square, or first one is perfect square, second one not, or first one not perfect square, second one is perfect square, is 1 over 3 times 1 over 3, which is this one, or 1 over 3 times 2 over 3, which is this one, plus the last one, this one, okay? 2 over 3 times 1 over 3. So we get 5 over 9. So this is for the case of we roll the fair dice twice for one time, okay? So this experiment is carried out 540 times. So we need to times 540. So the answer is 300 times, okay? So now let's go through example 13 together. A box contains 7 red marbles, 5 yellow marbles, and 3 blue marbles. 2 marbles are chosen randomly one by one from the box. If the first marble is blue, then the blue marble is then returned to the box before a second marble is chosen. But if the first marble is not blue, the marble is not returned to the box and then a second marble is chosen, okay? So calculate the probability of getting 2 marbles of different colors. So we can see that this is a dependent combined events, okay? Because the probability of the first marble chosen will affect the probability of the second marble chosen, okay? So we can see that total there are 15 marbles, okay? So the case for 2 marbles of different colors are red and yellow, red and blue, yellow and red, yellow and blue, blue and red, blue and yellow, okay? So if we don't draw a tree diagram, it would be a bit confusing for us, okay? So let's draw a tree diagram so that we can see clearly, okay? So R represents the event of getting a red marble, Y represents the event of getting a yellow marble, B represents the event of getting a blue marble, okay? So if the first marble chosen is blue, then the blue marble is returned to the box before the second marble is chosen, okay? So we can see when the second marble is chosen, here all is over 15, okay? But for the case of getting red and yellow for the first time, the second time here, the denominator all is over 14 only, okay? Because the first marble is not returned into the box, okay? So the probability of getting red marble is 7 out of 15. Probability of getting yellow is 5 out of 15. Probability of getting blue is 3 out of 15, okay? So then for the second marble, the probability of getting red is 6 out of 14, okay? Because a red marble is already chosen in the first place. So I believe you guys know how to get all these values, okay? So these are the possible outcomes. We write it in ordered pairs, okay? So now calculate the probability of getting two marbles of different color. So like this case, red, red. This is not the case that we want, okay? But for the case of getting red marble for the first time, then yellow marble for the second time is what we want, okay? So on and so forth. So 7/15 times 5/14. Then the probability of getting first marble is red, second marble is blue, is 7/15 times 3/14, okay? So on and so forth. Then we get the answer 349/525, okay? Or there's an easier way, okay? I would recommend you guys to do this way. 1 minus the probability of getting same color, meaning red, red, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, okay? So you can refer to here, okay, for the working. So congratulations to everyone. We have reached the homework again. Go back, you guys, to complete this self-practice 9.4a, okay? So that all the knowledge that we learned today belongs to you, okay? So we have came to the end of this chapter. You will go back and do this comprehensive practice also, okay? This is a very useful practice in refreshing the knowledge that we have learned in this whole chapter, okay? So if you guys are having a lot of difficulty, you are struggling in completing all this homework in the textbook, I have prepared an online course for you guys. It is a step-by-step guideline in helping you guys to complete all this homework in the textbook, including the comprehensive practice at the back of each chapter, okay? So coming next, we are moving to the last chapter of this textbook, okay? So this is a very new chapter to y'all. So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you do not miss out any of my upcoming videos, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.